Yeah.
and perfect.
Hi everyone, we have a project today with Michelle. I'm gonna put and write the fish in here so Michelle can
No, count it.
yeah, but we have to make a fish. So I'm gonna draw a fish in here.
You have to draw it first, then you cut it. Cut. Then I will put stripes. That's orange. I will put stripes. That's orange. I will put stripes. That's orange. I will put eyes.
No, the eyes is not there. Oh, sure. Okay, the eyes is there now.
Oh, that's so sad. That's too sad.
Yeah,
It should be happy.
it should be happy.
Not sad. It's so sad.
So sad. I don't know how to make the fish happy.
Poor fish.
Poor fish.
How about you have to draw its baby? That's the mom. You have to draw the baby too.
Yeah. I don't know how to make a...
It's so not happy. It's so sad. It's so sad.
I don't know how to make the happy fish.
Yips. Come on, no yips on the fish. Come on. I don't want yips on the fish.
This is a fish.
I don't want yips on a fish. It's gonna kiss you. Mwah. I don't like that. That's yucky. Yucky.
A pretty fish. Okay, what we're gonna do now is...
Cut.
gonna put the fence in here.
Yes, because it has 10. Then you tape it with some tape.
Right.
Then
Yay!
you tape it in the back.
Yeah.
Then there you go. You have a fish.
Let's see.
Now we have to cut it because she cut it to make a fish, and that's it. And there you go. You have a fishing put.
And then now I'm gonna cut the fish.
Yes, that's absolutely perfect.
Yeah. Let's make this fish happy. I don't know how to make the fish happy. There's a black one in here.
That one?
There is. I found it.
That's the back one. That's perfect. Eyelashes? Come on, I don't like eyelashes on it. Come on, I don't like eyelashes on it. Come on. Eyelashes on it?
It's so pretty.
It's just so sad. Mommy, I don't like eyelashes on it. I don't like eyelashes on it.
Is she pretty? Tell me.
Petey.
Yeah, she's pretty.
Don't cut into she's tail. Don't cut down she's tail.
No, I won't.
That's good. That made me sad. And
So where's your roof? Do we have the string that we can use it?
Oh, I don't have it. It's my paint on my plastic. This. I have tape.
Oh, I have one in there. The one brown box I have.
Where?
Remember the brown box?
This one? This one.
Yeah.
It's a fun box. And we open it.
And we open.
Then look for it. Get some sheen. Get some sheen that we can use.
I think this is tilapia fish. Don't you think?
Uh-huh. I like the name. Mom, I like the name. Give me that. Look at the fish that we made. It's a happy fish with eyelashes. Look at it. It's so pretty. Some.
Okay.
Yes, made it.
Let's make the fishy.
I'm done.
Let's make the fishy swim.
A fishy popsicle. Here's the popsicle.
Yeah, and then where's the tape?
Here's the
So
tape.
guys,
You tape it.
everyone can make this fish, and then of course we have tape and
Then you can tape it,
a yarn.
and you can tape it with some tape like this. Then you can cut it. See? Then you have a fish. Then you need a popsicle. You need a popsicle that you
Stick.
can use.
Yeah, but popsicle stick, right?
Yes.
Yes. And what
So-
else they can do?
You can put some drawings with these so you can decorate it, paint it with a brush, or maybe just draw it or paint it.
What
Anything
else?
I want.
Yeah. Anything you want and anything you can do in your fishy, right?
Yes, I just like it, and I cut the yarn. Just cut
So-
the yarn.
I put tape in the back. There's the fish.
Oh,
The yarn.
Now
So we're
Now
gonna just find how long we can do with this one.
you need a popsicle. You need a popsicle now.
Okay, is this?
Now you need
That's
a
good.
popsicle.
Yeah.
Now you need a
And then-
popsicle.
You cut it.
Here,
Then we're gonna get the tape again.
you have to cut it here.
No. And then there's the popsicle stick.
Then
And
you can
put
use
the
it.
popsicle stick,
Then you put
and
it
then
in
you
the
tape
bag.
it.
Then you put it in the bag right next to this. Then there you go. You have a fishy to swim.
Yeah, Michelle been asking me about this and making it for her. So there we go, guys. And then
You
they're
take
just okay. We're gonna put this
it back.
back.
Then you have a fish. There
Then
you
you have a
go.
fish.
Then you can
There's your fish.
take
There's your
it
fishing
away.
pole.
It's so big.
Well, you can do like this one, sweetie. And then to shorten it.
Then you have a
Oh, I got a fish! I caught a fish!
Give me that.